think one of the things about Backcountry that's so cool is that we're really in the heart of the mountains. We're like right in the Wasatch. People truly are passionate about the brand.
Just on Tuesday of this week, I went out with a couple of my fellow designers and we went out backcountry skiing with our dogs in the morning before work. And it's really fun to just have that like community.
We've got ex-Olympians, world champions, people that know the gear, love the sports, and really just get out and after it all the time.
Storytelling to backcountry, I think, means showing more than just the product. It means you're really giving the background behind why this product is so great, why we really believe in it.
We produce a lot of stuff in a year. Between media and of course like all of our team on creative, I mean we're talking thousands of assets a year. And so at a certain point it was like, hey, we need to do something else. We need to figure out how we can work better and more efficiently. Wrike really was a good fit for us. It just was the right size, the right feature set, and pretty intuitive to use for our particular team.
That concept brief within Wrike gives us the opportunity to just have like a place to kind of hang our hat and say, these are our thoughts, ideas. We can prove that we've already been putting time and effort into it.
We use the proving tool for almost everything, really. We use it for approving photos, design concepts, web page layouts. I mean, really, it's kind of our like go-to for finding like approval and making sure the right people see the right stuff.
I use dashboards daily to keep an eye on who's available, who's got time, who doesn't have time. If I need to switch photo search off to a different photographer or a design work off to a different designer, I can tell who's doing what on any given day at any time.
I think it's really, really great to be able to throw things into review, get feedback, and not necessarily need an in-person meeting or rely on emails.
I'm in there kind of constantly making little tweaks, approving images, approving videos. I think there's always so many moving parts and we have such a large team that it's really great to have one place I can look and know that everything I need to know is there. I don't think it's true that creatives have to be disorganized in order to be creative. I think that creatives actually work much better in an organized capacity, and they work much better when they have strong guardrails. I think Wrike, for me personally, is a really great way to kind of like organize the workflow of our creative team, and that gives me a huge peace of mind.
Wrike really does inspire confidence simply because when you know where things are at any given point and you know your team's workloads, you know what's coming down, you know how to plan for that, there's really not any questions, right? Like you have visibility.